this, and this was in fact installed in a MOT tank for 5 months as a pilot project in the same nozzle which we shoot, similar nozzle. Okay, so if you see this photo, this is with analyzer only. This is with installed analyzer. This one is analyzer. So where is support? There is no support. This has leakage issue, and then we replaced. Now we are using the similar one in this one.
Then the entire load is going to come on the nozzle end, right? On the body.
No. There is looks like there is a support in the, or this is for the cable. We will have the entire load in the nozzle itself.
Santosh, this pipeline, I'm able to see one vertical pipeline after this one. So this will also work as a support, or this is the only for process?
No. This is for cable.
Cable.
This is for cable. Yeah,
Cable.
this is for cable. So this is installed one.
Okay. See, I do not know. I mean, whether entire load will come on the body and nozzle, body of the tank and the nozzle.
No. Actually, sir, this is that is what I am saying. The existing one was like that, and then vendor confirmed because of load, this issue has not happened because of ultrasound propagation. Leakage issue was there in the flange. Load is not the concern. The vendor mentioned this.
Okay.
So
Then
yeah.
Let me put it here. I'm going to say that additional new support is required. You are going to use existing support and this thing, right? Existing support, existing support and support